Ramana Maharshi spoke very little. Yet thousands felt transformed just by sitting in his presence. When asked why he remained silent, he replied simply, "Silence is the most powerful teaching." Today, we explore why Ramana Maharshi said words can never free you, and why silence is not the absence of sound, but the presence of truth. Why words always fall short. Words belong to the mind. They describe. They explain. They point. But liberation is not something to be explained. Ramana Maharshi said that words can only take you up to the door. They cannot make you step inside. No matter how sacred a teaching is. Once it becomes language, it becomes limited. Truth is not an idea. It is what remains before ideas arise. The silence Ramana pointed to. Ramana Maharshi did not mean outer silence alone. You can sit in a quiet room and still be restless inside. The silence he pointed to is inner stillness. The absence of the thinking, I. When the mind stops reaching outward, and attention rests in its source, silence reveals itself naturally. This silence is not created. It is always present, waiting to be noticed. Why seekers misunderstand silence? Many seekers try to force silence. They suppress thoughts. They control the breath. They struggle to remain calm. Ramana Maharshi warned against this. Silence is not achieved by effort. Effort belongs to the ego. True silence appears when attention stops chasing thoughts and simply returns to its origin. That return is self-enquiry. Silence as the highest teaching. People traveled long distances to ask Ramana Maharshi questions. Often, he would not answer. Yet many left with clarity they had never known. Why? Because silence does not teach through concepts. It dissolves confusion directly. Ramana said, "Silence is unceasing eloquence." In silence, there is no teacher and no student. Only being. A direct invitation to silence. Right now, pause. Notice the space in which these words appear. Do not name it. Do not analyze it. Let thoughts come and go. Remain as the awareness that notices them. This quiet presence, this stillness, is what Ramana Maharshi called the self. Words can inspire. Teachings can guide. But freedom begins when the mind becomes silent. Ramana Maharshi did not ask you to believe. He asked you to be still and know. Comment, silence, if you felt that stillness, even briefly. Subscribe to continue this journey into Ramana Maharshi's teachings.